Hello everyone and welcome to the Transit Nomad family. In this video we continue exploring city transit in Sofia, Bulgaria, and going on a little tram ride. The tram is arriving right now and we are about to board it and enjoy the ride. If you know which specific tram model we are riding, please leave a comment below and let me know. I'm curious. It looks like it's an older tram that's been modernized. Most of the tram is high floor, but they have the low floor part in the middle.
Следваща стиска – Национален дворец на култура. Boulevard Praga. Следваща спирка – площад Македония.
So the reason that we were waiting for a while before getting off is because this stop is designed for only one tram, and there was another tram ahead of us, which basically forced the driver to wait until that tram departs before this tram could open the doors directly in front of the platform, which is designed for one tram. But this intersection is a five-way intersection. As you can see, the road is splitting into 5 different directions, and for that reason it takes longer to wait for the tram here at this specific location. I did like the concept of having the low floor in the middle and then high floor for the rest of the tram, which definitely saves a lot on the costs, I believe, for production or for remodeling, because this looks like it might be an older tram that's been remodeled. I'm not sure. You can let me know in the comment section below if you know, but it looks kind of like maybe late 90s, early 2000s. It looks pretty cool to me, and definitely the driver was fun, speeding up a little bit. I really enjoyed that part. And now we are gonna wait for the green lights to cross this street and go that way. I also want to point out that as an active traveler and business owner with experience, I might be able to assist you with trip planning, life coaching, and business consulting, with all the details available at buymeacoffee.com/transitnomad or through the link in the video description below. This is where you can also find lots of exclusive content on many different cities around the world, my secret tips, PDF guides, and the option to request a custom video on any topic that matters to you, as well as the option to check out my trip planning, life coaching, and business consulting services. I am in Belgium for I'm sorry, I'm not in Belgium, I'm in Brussels, not in Brussels, I'm in Bulgaria, in Sofia. I'm so confused with all the places that I'm traveling to these days that I really forgot where I am right now, but I'm currently in Bulgaria, in Sofia, and I'm here for a couple of weeks. At the end of this trip, I'll be recording my final verdict video comparing Bulgaria with other countries and helping you decide if you should visit, while also saving you lots of time and money with practical tips on how to get the most out of your trip. This will be an exclusive video, but you can easily gain access to it by subscribing or donating any amount on buymeacoffee.com/transitnomad. And also stay tuned on my YouTube channel. As you can see, we are filming a lot of different transit vehicles here in Bulgaria, and I'll be posting other videos as well. It looks like... No, we shouldn't go. We should wait. We don't want to get in the way of those cars. I think we skipped one green light when I was talking and filming trams, so now we gotta wait for another one. And now there's a tram passing by. I want to film it, but I have to catch the green light. So sad. I'm also wondering why some buses are orange and the others are yellow and blue, if there's any difference. Let me know in the comment section if you know. Lots of transit action at this intersection. Lots of trolley buses, trams, buses, a little bit of everything. It's pretty awesome. And I'm actually staying here just like a block away. So I think I chose a pretty good spot. And the city center is also like a little walk away, 5 minutes away. Very convenient. And you can see the trolley buses are coming and going, like every minute or two there's another trolley bus coming. And almost the same thing about the trams too. I love their transit frequencies. It's very quick. If you want to get in the train, get on the bus, get where you need to go, usually you don't have to wait too long, especially in this part of town. All right, now that I'm gonna head home and take a little break, I want to thank you for watching, commenting, liking, and subscribing. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.